All I do is adore you all of the time. I'd like to. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. If I may, if I may. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you.
All right, welcome to my channel. It's my first vlog, so it's a little weird speaking to myself. This channel is gonna be, I don't know, mostly about my Subaru that I just got. It is a 2012 hatchback WRX, and today is going to be its first real mod. We're going to be lowering it, and I've done little things to it already, like a shift knob, and I put the little emblem overlays on, just little things like that. But I have a lot in store for this guy here. And so yeah, on this episode of Subaru Sunday.
No, keep going.
So awkward.
She feels really awkward. This is her first time
So,
actually vlogging, doing stuff like
we're
that.
gonna
And when you hold the camera, you can see how she's holding the camera. That's how I'm holding the camera. It's not like she's interacting with you guys like how I feel interacting with you guys. She's learning how to do it.
Hello in there.
Yeah, see? So anyway, today you guys are getting Subaru content. You have my content.
Just
from
listen
my
to what he
Subaru,
says.
But there really isn't a lot of stuff that I've even ordered.
So we're gonna lower that to, I don't know, am I doing yours or mine?
I don't know, what are you doing?
We're gonna lower it to make it like this. See, we're gonna make it this height, or this low.
There's my mod for the day. I haven't ordered anything from this. I'm trying to wait to get paid, and then I'm going to do some other stuff to mine. But for now, we're gonna do stuff on this one.
I
You
can't
can see
even.
hers is sitting like a monster truck, just like she said.
I can't
Mine's
even get a
really low.
word in here to my people who are waiting for me to speak too.
You know what? Hold that thought. I'll get back to it in just a second. We're gonna let her feel comfortable and get.
I only have 19 minutes. You cut me off. There they are. Look how
Pink
pretty.
and white, just like she
Pink
said.
and white. These are the MonoSS.
They're pretty beefy, actually.
Godspeed.
So
Pretty
the ones,
heavy too.
yeah,
They're beautiful.
adjustable on the top. We're gonna start with the front, right?
Yeah, so how do we know which is the front? I do
So-
know that this is the side that the brake line goes through, right?
Yep, you're
Okay.
So if you look on the top,
Okay.
see how there's 3 bolts?
Yeah.
There's 3 bolts and
So this
adjustable
goes in
top
the
hat.
front.
So these are the fronts.
Okay.
So the rear ones are only gonna have 2.
Oh.
And usually you can just change the dampening on these. You can't really do anything with that up here.
One?
Yeah, this is so that way it helps with the camber. This can slide front and back, and it helps with the camber on the front. The rears, you can't do that.
Okay.
The rears you usually change with like toe and stuff like that, and that's all stuff done from the bottom on the lower control arms. So
Sweet. Okay, so let's raise this up and get this party started. Okay, so we're going in with a 19. Getting these guys off. Whoa! How do you take it, like this?
yep.
Oh, it's not too bad.
Nope.
Okay.
It's so fun watching her learn. Oh yeah, welcome to, you think it's all glamour doing car stuff. You're about
going
to.
home.
So we have 2 19s that are on these bolts like this. And we have like a 12 here that's holding the, what is this? The wheel speed sensor, and then the other 12 that's holding the brake line. So once we remove these, we'll be able to take this off. And this is pretty straightforward. This will be able to push away, and then we'll just be able to go up top here and take off these 12s or 14s, I'm not sure what they are. And then I'll hold it under here as we take that, and we'll just kind of lift it out. These ones are easy. These are gonna be super easy. Put it in so it's flat against it. There you go.
Good?
Yep, I'll break it off.
Nice. More?
All the way out. Okay, so wheel speed sensor. This can just kind of dangle.
Wheel speed sensor. Okay.
Yep. And then the other one, you can take the brake line off. Same thing.
Right here?
Yep. Put on it flat. Break that off. Okay, so now everything here is attached or not attached to the coilover.
Okay.
The only other thing we have is the 19s. So
Back to the 19.
pull that off. And now go from the nut side. Yep. Put it flat against it.
Is it in there?
Yeah, so
That's what she said. Going little by little.
yeah,
There it comes.
There you go. Okay, so that's
Keep
good.
going.
Yeah, so this now we can take off. Just pull that. Yeah, put this over here.
So then this guy can come out here?
So then, not yet. So then now hit the bottom one.
Oh, there's another.
Yep. Hold it to it.
Oh.
Now go. Okay. Go ahead.
More?
Just a little, just.
Oh,
Okay.
sorry.
It's okay. Okay, so this isn't really working the way that I thought it was
It's
going
almost,
to.
it's in.
I know, but so this is also spinning. I guess this is pretty tight on here, so
Let's
I'm
use
gonna have to
a
get a wrench to
wrench
hold
on the other
this
side.
and then break this off. So I got this big dad. It's 19.
There we go.
Okay, perfect. Okay. So
That was easy.
yeah, it's not bad, right?
Mm-mm.
So now I usually will push one, like the bottom one out. So that one's out. And then this one, you can see it starts to pivot.
Oh, yeah.
So hold this. So I kind of just pivot it forward.
Wow.
Just like that. So this is a cammed bolt. Do you see how it has a step?
Yes.
So when it goes in this hole, it's oblong. As it turns, it pushes this away. So it's a cammed bolt that it'll push. As it does this, it pushes it farther out, or it'll bring it back in. So this is how you adjust camber on the
Okay.
upper control arms, or I mean on the knuckle.
Okay. All right, we got the other side done and lowered the car, so now we could reach the 12mm bolts. So we'll get those guys off.
Yeah. So if you want to come around here,
Okay.
and maybe which do you want to do?
Put it-
Do you want to hit them off with this, or do you want to hold the strut?
I'll take them off.
Okay.
Or maybe you should, you're taller.
Okay.
So hold the strut.
Yeah. Take the one off in the back. Take this one here.
Do I need to hold on tight?
There's one. I mean, it's
Is
a
it
little
gonna
heavy.
fall? Okay.
Here, I'll help you with it. If
All
you
right.
want, you can put the camera down there so you can see. So, ready?
Whoa.
So now it's gonna come through.
Yep.
Okay. So now, if you want to let go of that,
Okay.
I can just swing it out like
Muscles.
this, and then
Nice.
the whole thing's up.
That thing is ugly.
It's not pink.
Now that that's back in, we put the bolts in, have to tighten that. And what is this? The brake and the tire sensor or something? The wheel sensor?
Wheel speed sensor.
Wheel speed sensor. Put those in. Tighten these. And then what comes next?
Pretty much just put the tire
And then just putting the tire on. Woo! Alright, so on here, we have to get rid of these. You already started.
Yeah, I already started them. That's kind of my bad.
Alright. And this same size here?
Yep. It's just spinning on
Jeez.
the other side, so you
My
have
hearing.
to. Yeah. If you want to work on cars, you got to learn to not have hearing.
Huh?
There you go.
There we go.
So now this is free. So now we just lower the car. We'll take the 214s out and this
And
will
do
pop
the
out.
top
We'll put
and
the new one
then,
in.
oh my god.
Nice and easy.
Yeah, these aren't as hard as I thought they'd be.
There you go. Let me make sure that they are 14. Yeah. So, and then if you want to hit that last one, I'll get underneath and catch it.
Oh, over there. Okay.
Yeah.
There we go.
There it
Woo! There it is. And then other side?
Yep.
Okay. Is there a certain direction it goes in? Okay. Good? That's fast. Okay.
So now we can raise the car up,
Okay.
and let's put the lower control arms.
Gonna put this through here.
Yeah. Push, push, push.
There you go.
There you go. Okay.
Okay.
And then here is this one. That goes through. I think you have to go from this side.
There you go. Through the side?
Yep. So you'll have to like kind of twist it around. There you go. Oh,
Cool.
beautiful. Okay. Well, that was way easier than I thought.
Yes. So all of this is bolted back together, and just have to put this tire on, lower the car, and what are we doing? We have to bolt the top down, right?
Yeah.
The top part inside the trunk here.
Yep. Ready?
Ready. That's it?
And that's it. That's a lot.
Is it low?
Oh
I should have done it before.
yeah. Here we go. The front's still a monster truck. So
Wait,
we
what?
We need to.
It's even higher than before.
No, it's not. But we do need to lower that down. But the rear is actually sitting pretty nice. You can see barely the top of the tire is just going right in the wheel well.
Yeah.
So now that gap is completely
Oh yeah.
closed.
That's really
So
nice.
I think the other
It's
side
only a
would
one
be
finger.
the same. So these I'm just tightening together. So then I can do this. And so watch this. So now I can break this loose. And if you use the top one after they're tightened together, see the whole tube moves?
Yeah.
So now you keep the tension on the spring, but this just moves. And you can use this to lock it down. And that's how you change the height. So you don't ever have to undo this well, I mean, if you want to change the tension, but I don't ever change the tension. Once I have it set on the preload that I want, then I just use this to roll the body. And then the bottom one on here, all this does is lock it down.
Locks it down.
So it doesn't
Okay.
do anything. So I'm gonna measure. I want an inch from the bottom here. I'm at exactly what I want. So the inch line I want at the bottom of this in here. So as soon as I put it in here, you can see right on top here. See, it's at an inch exactly.
Okay. And then you tighten the
So
bottom.
then this bottom one, yeah, I'll just tighten that.
Okay.
So that way you don't hear a bunch of noise. All that's together. So now the spring doesn't make a bunch of noise. There's nothing moving. We're good.
Perfect. Okay, so we ran out of daylight yesterday, but got the coilovers finished. It feels so much better, a lot more like stiff, I guess, with the handling. And my wheel doesn't feel like as squirrely as it did before, probably, most likely because of that. But let me show you how it looks now. Okay. The guys are over there revving their engines. Here they are. We didn't adjust anything really yet because I plan on getting new wheels for this. So I want them to sit more flush, not tucked back in there. So yeah, you can't really even see. Maybe a little. There you go. And here's what it looks like. It sits 25 inches and Aaron's is at 24 inches. But I think he's gonna be raising his a little bit. And there it is. All right, that's going to wrap it up for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Time to get started with the editing process now and see how that goes. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, do the hokey pokey, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.